We are studying chapter separation of substances. In previous class we studied about separation processes, purpose of separation and what we do with the impurities. So students, today we are going to study about your methods of separation. Okay? The first method we are going to discuss is hand picking. As the name itself suggests, hand picking is that method in which we pick up impurities using our hand. So this method of hand picking can be used for separating slightly larger sized impurities like pieces of dirt, stone and husk from wheat, rice or pulses. The amount of such impurities is usually not very large, and in such situation we find this method of hand picking convenient way to separate impurities. As here in this picture you can see this man is picking impurities from your grains. So hand picking is a method which we commonly use. You must have seen your mother picking impurities from rice. So students, this must be clear to you. Moving to the next, it's threshing. Now let's understand what this threshing method is. You must have seen bundles of wheat or paddy stalks lying in field after harvesting the crop. Stalks are dried in sun before the grain is separated from them, and each stalk has many grain seeds attached to it. Imagine number of grain seeds in hundred of bundles of stalk lying in field. How does the farmer separate grain seed from those bundle of stalks? One may pluck mango, guava from the tree, but grain seeds are much smaller than mango or guava. So plucking them from stalk would be impossible, students. How does one separate grain seed from their stalk? So the process is threshing. In this process, the stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds. As you can see in this picture, this farmer is doing this process. And sometimes threshing is done with the help of blocks. One more important thing, students, machines are also used to thresh large amount of grains. And now today we have studied about two processes, hand picking, threshing. We observed their utility in our daily life, and I hope that it's clear to you. And now in case of any query you may ask me. So that's all for today, students. Keep learning, keep asking and stay healthy.